Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. That was the first time I ever get to say that. I'm so excited. So this is my second video, so thank you so much for watching my previous if you did. If you haven't, why not? Make sure you check that out as well if you so can. Today we're going to be doing this look. This is my kind of retro, rockabilly, modern pin-up look. This is what I would be doing for shoots mostly, and kind of what I'll do on a regular basis, to be honest. If I'm doing kind of anything that's kind of more get ready quickly kind of way, this is what I'll do. It's so effective, it's so flattering, and it's just, I think, I love retro makeup, I love retro culture so much, so I love this whole look. I think it's so nice and it's so my vibe, it's my kind of thing. So yeah, I'll just be chatting away, showing you how to get this look. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start with my brows on. When I do my pin-up kind of shoot looks, I do my brows slightly differently. I kind of think it works better for a more classical look if it's not straight up ombre brow, which I love. I will live and die by. So they're slightly higher, slightly lighter, and I don't carve them out on top as well. Because I have such little brow hair, I still have to do quite a heavy fill-in, so it's not going to be perfectly natural looking, but for photographic purposes, it's probably best not to be completely natural looking. I think the thing with this a lot of the time is that it has to be remembered this is for photographic purposes, it's not in real life. So makeup is done differently for photographic kind of situations. It's different for photography, it's different for film. It's not the same. So yeah, it kind of has to be done a bit differently. So for my eyes, I'm going to start off with my Eyelure 227. And I'm mostly going to the Morphe 350. It's a very damaged one. But I'm going to this guy today. It's known for warm tones, and that's kind of not really what you want for a pin-up look. They weren't really warm, it was more kind of neutral to smoky kind of cool tones, because it was more about shadowing and natural shadowing. It wasn't about looking like you have makeup on, it was about enhancement. However, this palette's got everything you kind of wanted it, because there are some cooler to more neutral tones in here. Plus there's a really good cream shade in here. Ignore the missing shadows. It's been on its travels. So I'm gonna go to this guy here first. So I'm just gonna do that. And we're gonna start. So with pin-up looks, it's all about the shading in the crease. It was all about having deep set eyes. A lot of the movie actresses and film stars and things like that, like a lot of people kind of, it was more about a sleepy, seductive eye. And most of my kind of inspiration for my makeup was from Marilyn Monroe. And if you've ever watched Lucy Aldridge's tutorial on Marilyn Monroe makeup, it's incredible. I watched it like as therapy. Like I literally watch it just to chill out. Like, it's so nice. It's such a nice video to watch. It's absolutely brilliant. So popping that into the crease. Because I have hood eyes, I have to be a bit more careful with my blending. Then I'm going to take my Zoeva, I'll say 221, this guy here. Yeah, and I'm going to go into this guy. Just this guy here. And kind of build up my I'm gonna go into Don't Pick It Jam. Get between these two. Gonna just deepen up the outer socket a little bit. See, the beauty of this kind of makeup is that it's so simple. Just gonna dip into the cream shade here at the top and just gonna pack that over the lid. much, but just gonna pack it on there because this is about opening the eye up and kind of making it look like I have a crease. Just popping some highlight on the backbone. This looks awesome on camera. It gives, like, this is the thing, I love it because a lot of photographers don't really, they know obviously when we're makeup and how it kind of works, but they're so cute when they're like describing the effect, but not really knowing like what it is. I remember recently there was a photographer and he's like, I really like the shimmery and the matte, I really like the contrast. I was like, yeah, my highlight. He's like, yeah, the contour and the highlight. And I was like, literally what it's called. Just gonna do a wing liner, the most important thing ever. So with a wing liner, really up, not out, up, always up, especially with Pinup wigs. I've already primed my face. I just used the Instagirl primer. It's a primer. Oh, it's really good actually. Just to fill in the pores. And then I'm gonna pop on my ridiculous NYX foundation. So, when I'm photographing, there's a few things. She says gathering literally 5 foundations. These guys. I'm such an inconvenience to myself. But because I'm more tan than usual. I was actually doing my my lighting and I was totally shocked. I was like, I look more tan than that. This is Zoe Bell 102 Silk Finish Nothing Brush. And you can see the coverage straight away. You do want a high coverage photography for a photography now. That doesn't make sense. You want it to be perfect. So with this, I'm just gonna buff it in with a brush, and then I go over and blend it. So this is the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I always tie my hair up for doing makeup, but I don't for YouTube because I look like a potato. So it's that. This is the e.l.f. This one makes me laugh so much. It's the e.l.f. concealer. It's this guy here. It's actually really nice. This is called Pear. I use this to cancel out dark circles because it's that dark. Like, it's a caramel colour. I couldn't use this. See, that literally matches my foundation. And my foundation is dark for me. It's unreal that they think that this is fair. It is not. To do that for like longevity purposes, that's quite a nice, like, kind of luminous kind of thing to it, so it's more skin-like compared to Shape Tape. Shape Tape. I'm just scared to come in something. Hey, are you okay? Yeah. Not bad. Oh man. You hungover? Sorry about that. We were all out last night and Zoe just came through and I was trying to clean but she wasn't hungover. So then I concealer, pop lashes on and pop some white eyeliner on. More for the kind of doe eye kind of look. You know, those vibes. So now I'm gonna pop on my highlight. Unfortunately, you know, they didn't have a blinding highlight in 1940s, 50s, so it's quite upsetting. They did still use a bit of shimmer though. I can definitely, yeah, go with that. So I'm going to put a bit of it on. These are kind of really soft colours like this. I don't like, I don't even own blush. Yeah, that makes sense. So use Paddle Pusher from Make Up Geek, and sometimes I feel a bit red. It's not crushed pigment, mixed in with a bit of that. Here's my sculpting powder in light medium from Peaches and Cream. This is awesome. It's like bronzer / contour for me. So I take it on a really big wavy brush. It is a 101. It's got a look through face to find it. Oh, it's such tiny things. It's just like huge. So I kind of put that all over the perimeter of my face, just kind of like all around, and then I can kind of put it in the cheekbones a little bit. Then go in with a, I know it's supposed to be a Luxe highlight brush. The number's gone. It's this guy from Zuva. I never used him as highlight, I always used the contour. I think it's really nice as a contour. Just going to kind of tidy up my face a little bit with a powder, and it's the Naked Skin powder from Urban Decay. I used to not be able to use this because it was too dark. Which is annoying because this is the lightest one they do. And just kind of really lightly dust over the face. However this like pat it in. Because we already had that white base there, it'll really shine. And that little pigment you kind of need on it instead. I'm just going to go in there and wiggle it a bit. Go back in the Morphe palette and I'm going to do this guy here on a Zoeva 233 Luxe pencil. Now the trick with a lot of Pinup was kind of shading under the eyes in such a way that it didn't really look like they were much better. It was all about making it look as natural as possible. Mild nose makeup, which I found fascinating, was designed to look like she has such heavy lashes on with shading under her eyes because of the shadow. I don't know why, but it's so fascinating. Pop on a bit more mascara. Okay, so my camera cut out, but I popped on some lipstick and popped my mole on. So usually for shoots I'll do a mix of kind of finishes. If you're wearing this out, I'd suggest a matte lip. Like even like a liquid lipstick. This one is Ariba from Colourpop, with a I Love Sarai Karen, who is an absolute gem. Or this is Sanger's from Illamasqua. And lip liners I've used. What is this guy called again? Bossy from Colourpop, and this is Cherry from MAC. I could just do a combo of all of them and kind of go for it. However, if you want to keep it a bit more authentic, and you not care about longevity, and just doing it for like kind of shooting gloss, that's what I said. And this one's from Alaska as well, and it is Succubus. This is Succubus. Awesome name for lip gloss, I know that's why I remember it. So I just took a setting spray and that is me ready to go. I got these from a Tiki store, not a Tiki store, sorry, a store on Etsy. Voodoo Betty's boutique. She does awesome designs. So these are my bamboo hoops, which are just awesome. I love them so much. They're the combination of like all things I would want in the world. So you go for super glam or super cutesy. Up to you. I'm gonna go with super glam. Just gonna brush my brows through with a bit of soap, a bit of Pear soap and a bit of thick spray, and a spoolie. Just let that go. And I'm just gonna brush these brows. I kind of like doing this last just because it means the makeup kind of gets off of them. And look at the difference in that little brow hair, it's so cool. And I have very little brow to work with, so when I do this, it's gonna really make a little difference to me. I don't want a brow gel because I have no eyebrows. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and as always, stay peachy.